In this occasion, I want to share with you the new refrigerator I just bought from Home Depot. This is, as far as I know, I'm not 100% sure. Vissani is a Home Depot brand. This is the one I bought, 18.1 cubic feet. And this is the old one I have. The total price I paid was 572. The price without taxes was 529. And this is the stainless steel model. The regular white model cost $499. It's a little bit less, but I picked the more modern model look. Okay, this is the fridge. I just plugged it in this morning. I show you how it looks at the top. See the handles? Doesn't have handles, just it has a over here. It's very spacious. And this is the bottom part. Also, the settings for the temperature are located just right here. It's a push button. You press setting and keep it on press for 3 seconds, and then all the lights start blinking, and then by pressing one by one you will choose your favorite setting. Cold, which is probably the bottom, then that's probably medium cold, coldest, and super cold. This is the first time I bought a brand new fridge, and I bought it last night. Actually, it was afternoon when I bought it. I couldn't get it in. I left it outside because the fridge was a little wide. So my advice will be measure your door and the fridge also, so you will know in advance how to get the fridge inside. I had to open the doors of the fridge, so I got it from side to side with the doors open, and then I just turn it to this direction so the door will go into. Also, it's recommended that when you transport the refrigerator, you do it in the upright position. Okay, this is just a review. I will not say this is a review. I just installed it this morning. I hope it's gonna last me at least 3 years, because like now the appliances, they're not done with the quality that they were done before that last forever. This is probably, the lady in the store, she told me it's between 3 and 5 years lifespan.